Hello dear friends, today 7 September 2022. Today I show you what we make for client from USA and from Pakistan. USA, we have ordered from USA 3 Typhoons Pro Max 40 kilogram per hour, but really more, and one molder. And from Pakistan, one Typhoon Pro Max 40 kilogram per hour. And molder. These Typhoons 3 phases work in any country in the world, and molder 1 phase is also working any countries. Now I show you. These molders, we weight shafts, main shaft and this shaft for this belt. This is knives, very beautiful knives. We put this and regulation size what you want. Here belt with shaft, and this we also regulation diameter. This is long, this is diameter. And we also regulation speed knives and speed belt. All stainless steel. This is new, red. This is Typhoons Pro Max. We have 5 minutes before test. I think 45 kilogram per hour. Look, too much. This is 2 minutes maybe. Very beautiful. Our electrician, the best. Look how beautiful. Three phases, about 8 kilowatt per hour, about maybe 7.5. This is go to Pakistan, fly from Romania. I'm from Ukraine, Odessa. If you don't know, in Ukraine now war, but we shipping from Romania, city Bucharest airport, airplane shipping. Too much work. 1 month and 3 days. This manufacturing 1 month and 3 days. Tomorrow this is ready. We have big test. Okay, see you again. If you want some equipment, write to my WhatsApp. Bye bye.